C. Tyagarajan, Program Coordinator, CT Fest 2021, to welcome the gathering.
Good evening to one and all. On behalf of the Department of Computer Technology, I have great pleasure in welcoming you all to the validity function of CT Fest 2021. I warmly welcome our respected Secretary, Dr. T. Kannayan Sir, beloved Principal, Dr. D. Brinda Madam, for this fest. Welcome you, ma'am. Honorable Vice Principal, Dr. Anguraj Sir. I also welcome the heads of the department of various programs, our head of the department, Dr. S. Geetharani ma'am, all our faculty colleagues and students for this grand event. It's my great pleasure to welcome all the participants from various institutions for this validity function of online symposium CT Fest 2021. Once again, I wholeheartedly welcome you all for this function. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Professor V. Sridevi, Program Coordinator, CT Fest 2021, to present the report of CT Fest 2021.
Respected dignitaries, my fellow colleagues, participants from various colleges, and my dear students, good evening to all. I am very much delighted to present the Technical Symposium CT Fest 2021 report. The Department of Computer Technology of PhD College of Arts and Science has been organizing national level technical symposium for the past 2 days and interdepartmental technical symposium on November 13th of this year. This highly innovative, competitive and fun-filled technical symposium provided a wide spectrum of events to bring out the talent, technical and aesthetic talents of students. It included 9 technical and non-technical events like paper presentation, poster presentation, quiz, codifier, connection, Cineprism, fast coding, memes art and app development. Avatar is done through GitHub repository. Memes are digital Picasso, Quickie, quiz and codifier handled by our PhD CAS CT website, and Cineprism paper presentation and connector event is done through Google Meet online platform. Students from 66 different colleges from various states such as Gujarat, West Bengal, Delhi, Kerala, Karnataka, Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu are actively participated in national level technical symposium. I am proudly announcing that total number of students registered is 354 students for both technical and non-technical events. For the intra-departmental technical symposium, the total number of participants registered is 213 from 16 departments of our college. Students actively participated in the events, including critical thinking, problem solving, and presentation skill. Total of 5 events. Opathon is done through GitHub repository. Memes are Quickie and codifier handled by our PhD CAS CT website, and Cineprism event is done through Google Meet online platform. Students were very happy and excited to attend and perform their talents in this event. Thanks for all the participants who exhibit their skills, and congrats for all the winners. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Here comes the much awaited part of the ceremony for all the participants as it gives the results to the efforts put in by them throughout this event. It is a moment full of joy, a moment about pride and accomplishment, a moment of celebration. It gives a sense of achievement and a sense of responsibility towards fulfilling a further commitment. It fills the heart with mixed feelings and emotions. It gives me an immense pleasure to invite our respected head of the department, Dr. S. Geetharani ma'am, to deliver the valedictory address. And also I request ma'am to announce the winners of the interdepartmental event held on November 13 and the winners of the national event held on November 19 and 20.
Good evening to one and all. On behalf of Department of Computer Technology, I hereby extend my sincere thanks to PSG Management, Secretary, Principal and Vice Principal for permitting to organize this mega event. Now we are in the last section of the CT Fest 2021, that is a prize announcement section. We had an interdepartmental on 13th of this month and intercollegiate national symposium on yesterday and today. Prize winners list of interdepartmental events are Apathan, first prize goes to Surya and Kavin Kumar of MSc Software Systems. Second prize, Saran Khan and Sendil Vadivel of BSc Computer Science and Data Analytics. Cine Prism, Tinagar and Sudeep of BA English. Second prize, Meenakshi and Vasanta Saravana Sankar of BSc Statistics. Third prize goes to Prabhakar and Javahar of BSc Computer Science B section. On Codifier event, Saran Kant of BSc Computer Science with Data Analytics. Second prize goes to Surya of MSc Software System. Third prize goes to Kavin Kumar of MSc Software System. A Mimizer event, Nivas, first prize goes to Nivas of BSc Computer Science Department. Second prize goes to Surya, MSc Software System Department. And third prize goes to Mithun Meenakshi of BSc Physics Department. A Quickie event, first prize goes to Surya of MSc Software Systems. Second prize goes to Vasanta Saravana Sankar of BSc Statistics Department. Third prize goes to Tulasimani of BCA Department. Winners list of National Level Online Symposium 2021 is Apathan. First prize goes to Angappan and Kavin Raj. Subhash Aravind of MCA Department from Alagappa University. Buzzy Quiz, Shubhashri, first prize goes to Shubhashri Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. Second prize, Kalai Shankar, National Engineering College, Kovilpatti. Third prize, Elakya, Women's Christian College, Chennai. Codifier event. First prize goes to Manish Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Mysore. Second prize, Satya Krishnan, Puducherry Technological University. Third prize goes to Dhanushya Devi, Tyagarajar College. Connect 2. First prize goes to Purnima, Tip School of Management. Second prize goes to Neha, Women's Christian College. Third prize goes to Nandakumar, NGP Arts and Science College. Cine Prism event. First prize goes to Rudra of Tip School of Management. Second prize goes to Purnima, Tip School of Management. Third prize goes to Ilakya, Women's Christian College. Digital Picasso event. First prize goes to Hashmita Devi, Women's Christian College. Second prize goes to Aravind Kumar, Alagappa University. Third prize goes to Deepika, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Mimizer Rao event. Abhijit from Dr. NGP College of Arts and Science. Dinesh Kumar from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. And Shukumar, third prize goes to Shukumar Sri Krishna Aditya College of Arts and Science. In paper presentation event, first prize goes to Deepak, Puducherry Technological University. Second prize goes to Julika, Periyar University. Third prize, Grishalini, Konga Engineering College. Then last event, Quickie. First prize goes to Swati, Women's Christian College. Second prize goes to Shreya, St. Joseph College of Engineering. Third prize goes to Shivaraman, BWOC, Alagappa University. Congratulations and best wishes to all the winners. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. My heartfelt congratulations to all the winners and cheers to all the active participants. Thank you. Gratitude is the fairest blossom that springs from the soul. As we come to the closure of valedictory ceremony, I invite Dr. S. Gokuldev Sir, Program Coordinator, CT Fest 2021, to propose a vote of thanks.
A pleasant good evening to one and all present here. The wonderful things in this world cannot be seen or even touched. They must always be felt by heart. Proposing the thanks message is one such prayers among them. I really take this opportunity as a great privilege to propose the vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who had witnessed this national level symposium, CT Fest 2021, as a memorable and successful event. On behalf of the Department of Computer Technology, I would like to place on record our hearty thanks to the management and our Honorable Secretary, Dr. Kannayan, for allowing us and providing us a consistent support throughout all our department activities. A special thanks to the most respected principal, Dr. Brinda. With your great leadership, you have always guided us in the right direction, which helped us to achieve this success. Thank you, Madam. Respected Vice Principal, Dr. Anguraj, who has always been a great support and guidance in all our activities. With your gentle and soft-spoken words and advices, you had always motivated and pushed us forward to achieve the best. Thank you very much, sir. The wheels started rolling months ago. An event of this dimension cannot really happen overnight. This really requires great things to be planned and executed in a right way. Undoubtedly, the credit definitely goes to the head of the department, Dr. S. Geeta Rani, for rendering such a great support, motivation, and coordination among the faculty members in the department. I could also quote the two pillars of this mega event, the coordinators. A special thanks to them, Mrs. Vaidehi and Dr. Mahalakshmi, all along with the team of faculty members of CT department who were there restlessly working towards the success of this event. Thanks to the head of the department and appreciations to the event coordinators as a team of faculty members. My sincere thanks to all heads of the departments, various departments, and fellow faculty members who have been supporting us directly and indirectly throughout this program. Thank you all. Words are really not enough to express my gratitude. When I say an event of this dimension, I really mean it. 9 such events, 354 registrations, a minimum of 2 to 3 rounds per each event, and managing everything through online. True from my heart, I could really understand the real pains and troubles behind this journey of success and joyfulness. My sincere appreciations to the student coordinators, Mr. Shankar and Ms. Krishni, the technical lead of the entire program, Mr. Ibrahim. And there is a big list which I couldn't read. Actually, it is unfair if I don't read the entire list of students, but due to the big list, I am just shortening that. The team of all individual student coordinators and the complete team of volunteers who had worked day and night restlessly for the past few months, to which your class tutor is also included. You all had really done a great job, students. Hope you had witnessed the rewards for all your hard work. And today is the success is actually yours. Then the credit totally belongs to the Department of CT. I also take this opportunity to congratulate the prize winners of the events and all the active participants for showing your interest with an overwhelming responses with 354 registrations covering many states right from the south, that is Tamil Nadu, to the northwest Sikkim, which made us to claim it's really a national level fest. I thank all the participants for having a wonderful journey with us. Thank you all once again and have a nice time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. All participants can download your e-certificates of participation by logging on to the website by November 30, and the winners will receive your winner's certificate through mail by November 30. Thank you for your active participation. The end of a story is the new beginning for many others. On this note, let's conclude a remarkable, memorable, and knowledgeable valedictory session. On behalf of the Department of Computer Technology, we sincerely thank the dignitaries for being here with us in this evening and enlightening us with their enthusiastic remarks. I shower my heartfelt gratitude to the staffs and dedicated volunteers, organizers, and team members for their wholehearted support rendered in the success of the CET Fest 2021. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful and fun-filled evening. Thank you.